How to play Apex Legends Mobile on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video, I will show you how you can play Apex Legends Mobile on PC. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to play Apex Legends Mobile on PC, first of all, you have to download this emulator called BlueStacks. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box. So go to that link, download and install this BlueStacks emulator. Once you download and install the BlueStacks emulator, you will see this kind of interface. Here you will see Google Play. So just click on the option that says Open Google Play. Now, since emulator is also just like an Android device, you have to make sure that you are signed in with your Google account. So make sure to also sign into your account if you haven't already. And then after you've signed in, you will be able to see that this is how it is actually going to look like on your BlueStacks app player, which is also your Android emulator. So over here you can see the Google Play Store is opening itself automatically. Now after you do this, what you need to do is right over here in the search box, you just want to search for the game called Apex Legends Mobile. So once you search for Apex Legends, you'll be able to see the similar app that is also available on a mobile device on your PC as well. And all you need to do is just click on the install button. Once you click on the install button, you can see it says 3.4 gigabytes, which is just the Android version of Apex Legends. If your PC has good enough specs, then you'll be able to run this game without any lag and stutters. And that's all it takes to play Apex Legends Mobile on PC. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.